Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make zucchini and squash stir-fry easy guide. Start by slicing zucchini and squash into half-moons, then salt briefly to draw moisture and pat dry. Heat a large skillet until hot, add oil, then sauté garlic and onion until fragrant. Add the squash in batches so they sear instead of steam, season simply, and finish with a splash of acid or soy. Sear the squash on medium-high heat to get caramelized edges while keeping centers tender. Work in batches so pieces brown instead of steaming together, and stir only when they release easily. Add aromatics back in near the end so they stay fresh, then deglaze with a bit of lemon juice or soy sauce to lift the fond. Taste and adjust salt, pepper, and a pinch of sugar if needed. If you're enjoying this content, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy recipes. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep a breeze and stop messy lunches from ruining your day. I use them to portion out stir-fry and pack tidy work lunches, which saves time and stress. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Balance brightness, heat, and texture to keep this stir-fry interesting. Try red pepper flakes or a dab of chili paste for warmth, and toss in fresh basil or parsley right before serving for herbal brightness. For crunch, sprinkle toasted sesame seeds or chopped nuts. If you want protein, add pre-cooked chicken, tofu, or shrimp near the end so they warm through without overcooking the vegetables.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.